I had gone to church. Then the thought came to me and said, Clark, you better go see Celeste. When I got in the car and went over to the grave site, and then I said some prayers. I got up and said, let's get out of here. Got in the car, drove to the entrance, and I decided to pull out. And once I pulled out, bam.
He was basically T-boned and had a very traumatic spinal column injury. He told me that he was 91 years old.
My back was in two parts.
At that point, we kind of said, well, we think that we can do something to basically help fix your spine and put everything back into alignment.
This is what you look like when you came in. Basically, you completely disconnected the top half of your spine from the bottom half of your spine, and then we were able to line you back up afterwards.
When we refer to the spinal column, it's more of the bones that surround the spinal cord. It's kind of like a person in a house. And in this case, his house completely fell down, but the people inside didn't get injured. And so what we had to do was, with the people still inside, rebuild the entire house around him and put all the walls back together and put a roof back on it.
The doctor didn't give him much chance of walking.
And at the end of the day, I said, it's gonna be the work that you're gonna put in. And he said, all right, better get to work. The majority of people who have the same type of injury that he had to the spinal column, a very low percentage of them are actually walking at 1 year, let alone a couple weeks after a surgical procedure. You can take this one.
Really?
Yeah.
Hallelujah! Woo! Shoulder pads.
It likes you.
Put it on my shoulder. Yeah. Woo! Day by day, I was stronger and stronger. And here I am.